this video, we will going to take up one more problem on isometric projection. How to solve this problem by using the solid edge software. The problem reads as a square prism of base height 40 mm, height 50 mm is placed centrally on a rectangular slab, sides 100 mm by 60 mm and thickness 20 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combinations. To do this, first we'll go for the solid edge screen, and here you can see you have a A2 size sheet. So just right click on sheet 1, click on sheet setup, change the background sheet to A2 to A4. I don't want to show the background and I will say OK. And now I want to fit the display to A4 size sheet. Now first I need to type the text. So here he says a square prism is placed, which is the square prism 40 mm by 50 mm height is placed on the rectangular slab, which is 100 by 60 by 20. So this is the rectangular slab is placed at the bottom and square prism is placed at the top. So since we are to draw by using the solid edge software, so we need not have to write the orthographic view of the object. So now first I will going to type the text now. So to do that, so before actually for entering the text, first I should make sure that in IntelliSketch endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical is enabled, and all other options you make it disabled. Then you come down to text. So here first you select the font name as Times New Roman and the font size as 4. Now you go to this. Now you start typing the text now. A square prism base side 40 mm, comma, height 50 mm is placed centrally on a rectangular slab, sides 100 mm by 60 mm and thickness 20 mm. Draw the isometric projection. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. Right click, then you go to move command, select this, move it wherever you want and you place it. Now I want to go for zoom window. So first thing is I want to construct a rectangular slab. So I go to line, select some arbitrary point, then you take 100 mm, then you take 100 mm, angle is 30, now you go to line, first you take 0.05, that is the thickness, line width, take some arbitrary point, take 100 mm, angle is 30, then you take 60 mm, angle is 150. Now you go to move, enable copy, select this, move it here, then select this and move it here. Okay. Then you go to line, select endpoint, the thickness is given to be 20, so take 20 mm, angle is minus 90. Okay. Then again go to move, select this, copy these 3, okay, then again move, select this entire thing, okay, take endpoint of this to endpoint of this. So this is the rectangular slab, so over which I want to place the square prism. So to do that, I will go for a line. You take, first it is placed centrally, so you take the midpoint of this to midpoint of this, and then you take midpoint of this to midpoint of this. Okay. Now you go to move, disable copy, select this entire thing and place it somewhere here so that you can create a square prism. So here I will go for a line, select some point, I will take 40, angle is 30, Again you take 40, angle is 150. Then again you go for a move, enable copy, select this, take endpoint of this to endpoint of this, move, take endpoint of this to endpoint of this. Now you go for line command, then you take 50 mm down, so you take 50, angle is minus 90. Now you go for move, enable copy, select this, take endpoint to this endpoint, to this endpoint, and to this endpoint. Now you go for move, again select these 4 points or square, top surface, and you bring it to the bottom surface. Now I want to move this and keep it here. So to move this and keep it here, what I need to do, I need to find out the center point. So you take midpoint of this to midpoint of this, again you take midpoint of this to midpoint of this. Now we have the center. So now, again you go to move, disable copy, select these 4 top surface lines, then you take these bottom lines and you take these 4, okay. Take the intersection point of this to intersection of this. You can move this. So now we have placed one above the other. So now once you do that, so this is the actual figure wherein a rectangular slab of 100 by 60 and 20 height, on which a square prism is placed of 40 mm by the height is 50 mm at the center. Now once you do that, now what will going to happen? I will be able to see some of the edges, will not be able to see. So which are the edges which is not able to see? I will go to split. Now I will going to reduce the scale. So to do that, so first I will go for scaling, scale, select this entire drawing, make this reference of this 0.816. So now we have reduced it, and go to move, select this entire thing and place it wherever you want. Once you do that, then go to zoom window. Now you go to split this line till here, okay, and then you split this line till here. Now you go for select by holding the shift key, take this top surface first, then these 3, okay, and you take this line and take this line, take this line, then you take this entire thing and take this line and this line, make it 0.5. Okay, this is the figure. This is the final figure what you will going to get. Then you go to line, take endpoint on this side, then draw one more line here, then go to extend to next, okay, then you go to select and then you delete this. Now you go for format, modify, general, take everything black, text, take Times New Roman, font size you take it as 3, then lines and coordinates, take it 0.1, then you say OK, apply, then go to angle between, select these two, you will get 30 degrees, similarly between these two you get 30 degrees, okay. This is the first sketch. Now you go for text, make it 3. Now here you type ISO scale used, ISO scale used, okay, right click. Now you go to select this line also, make it 0.5. So once you place it, this is how you are going to get the drawing. Now again you go to move, select this copy, select this entire thing, okay, copy it to the next position, okay. You make the displacement along y direction is 0 and you keep it here. Once you do that, now you remove which are all the invisible edges now. So this is the invisible edge, you remove it. So this is not being able to see, you remove it. So this is the one which you cannot see. This is the one which you cannot see. then these are the two edges which you cannot see. Okay, and the rest of the things will going to remain as it is. So this is how you will be able to write the position of the isometric scale of the combination of solids, wherein a square prism is placed centrally over the a square prism is placed centrally over the top face of the rectangular slab. So this is a typical example for the isometric projection. How to solve this by using the solid software. Thank you.